Hello everyone, welcome to Mercurial Vibes by Kanika Jandal. Through this channel, I am starting a new agenda of spreading healthcare awareness related to immune system and the products that actually help in rectifying the immune system functionality. Every human being is facing health issues which are directly or indirectly related to immune system. So some products provide surplus benefits for curing the immune system functionality. Also, nowadays the situations occur when your immune system underreacts or overreacts that causes visible changes and leaves you helpless. Problems which are related to immune system such as autoimmune are difficult to treat, and people often sit back and they don't feel like they should fight the battle. So this health blog is all about cow's colostrum powder. This is how the colostrum powder looks like. This is a very good health supplement and which I personally follow. This product is very rich in nutrients and fight against diseases and promote the growth. What actually is the cow's colostrum? Colostrum is the first milk that is produced by all mammals just before giving birth to the baby. It contains high level of antibodies which are proteins that fight against infections and bacteria. It prevents against microorganisms including those in gut as it has ability to heal the leaky gut. So when I was exploring about cow's colostrum powder, I found that it is very useful in healing the leaky gut, which is an ultimate cause behind all the immune related problems. What actually is the leaky gut? There are major physiological changes that accomplish when a person is suffering from leaky gut. So first the intestines becomes permeable to substances that should not normally be passed into circulation because the mucosal lining and cells of the intestinal tract are damaged and inflamed. Secondly, there is an imbalance in healthy and pathogenic bacteria and yeast that further promote the damage. Also, the immune system goes into overdrive, which means that it produces antibodies and other chemical messengers that create chronic inflammation. So, any of the above changes when occur can be leading to huge damage to the immune system, but colostrum helps in addressing all the three. According to me, which colostrum is best? All I explored was that symbiotics and bovine colostrum was given high reviews. I personally consume bovine colostrum powder 2 spoons once a day in half cup of milk. Link of bovine colostrum powder I will be providing in the description of this video, so you can explore and buy whatever suits you or whatever makes you think is the best depending upon the reviews and the ratings. So I'm not doing any kind of advertisement, and following this presentation I will be presenting a video of how I consume it and the images of capsules I take once a day. So thank you everyone, and stay tuned for all the upcoming health blogs. In other blogs also, likewise I will be posting about other information about other products which will help you get cured completely internally as well as externally just in a month or so. I will also be posting videos on the stress management as well as meditation tips which help you heal completely internally and makes you feel better. So stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.